Hi, this is Karen Harrison. I'm here to talk with you about how to build your Reiki business by using social media and Facebook. So Colleen Benelli and I have been creating a series on YouTube to help you learn how to do this for your Reiki students and clients. How to build your Reiki business. What we're covering in this section is understanding the benefits of social media. You're going to learn how to use Facebook effectively instead of some of the pitfalls of Facebook. Find out why your posts may not be getting out, and instead find out how to get your posts out by boosting them or creating an ad. Learn why to create Facebook groups for your students and clients, and see the benefits of a 21-day Facebook challenge. Social media, mysteries and solutions. Here they come. Why use social media? Just think about it. People spend longer on social media. You're going to be on your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, more so than checking out websites, and they produce referrals. Search engines are going to favor websites that engage in social media. It also gives you a way to engage with your clients. You can listen to them, you can ask them questions, they can share comments and stories, you can share pictures. It helps you to develop a good reputation and helps for them to be more loyal to you. You can develop a personality for your brand and make it more appealing. That's by using colors, images, and what you talk about in your posts. And it can easily be shared, generating more results for you. It's important to be a resource to your clients and students. People don't want to just have someone try to sell them or pitch them something. Instead, share information with them that will help them solve problems using the tools that you have to offer. For example, you can inspire your clients and students with beautiful pictures and quotes about Reiki, and if you can have some fun, that is a bonus. Here is one of Colleen's posts that I really like about how self-Reiki is my best friend when my emotions get away from me. Well, as a woman, that's happened to me many times, so remembering self-Reiki, this is a good reminder. The key to social media, defining your brand. You may wonder, what is your brand? It's not just your jeans. Okay, it's everything that's associated with you. It's the images that you post. It's what you say in your posts. It's your website. It's the look and feel of all of those images. It's your business cards. It's your Facebook page. So you can either create your brand or it will just create itself. Your brand helps people to get to know you and see what you stand for. It helps to build trust. It's important that you share more information about you and how you use Reiki than about your classes and sessions. Earlier in our video series, we had you come up with 10 words that describe the best version of yourself, and we encourage you to make them magical. So here are my 10 words that I want reflected in everything that I post and in all of my marketing. Facebook posting ideas. Everything you post should reflect your brand. And that is not just your business page, it's also your personal page. So on your personal page, when you're going to post something controversial, think about your potential students and clients who may see that and decide whether they do or don't want to do business with you because of what you posted. So if you can make some fun of yourself on social media, people will like it because it reminds them that you are human just like them. It's recommended to have 5 posts about Reiki information and resources to your 1 post about classes and sessions that you offer. I really like this quote. People don't buy goods and services, they buy relations, stories, and magic. They want to have a relationship with you, they want to have a community, and they want to share in the magic that Reiki helps to create. You may be wondering what to post. Well, be thinking about who is your target market and what are their needs. You can ask questions about them to stay in touch. Find out what else they like to do besides Reiki. What are their interests? I have found that most of my clients and students are primarily women between the ages of 30 and 60. So when I'm writing content, I need to think about what their needs are. Things like raising a family, dealing with children, finding time for yourself. We're all so busy now. How about that sandwich generation, caring for your aging parents, making time for your partner? Reiki is a wonderful way to make time for your partner. Giving each other Reiki, giving Reiki to your partner includes touch. You know, your partner is going to like that. How about succeeding at work, solving work problems, having more harmonious relationships? A number of my students have used Reiki to solve coworker problems. And getting enough sleep. No one seems to get enough sleep these days. Reiki helps you to sleep. So share how you have used Reiki for each of these issues. Reiki for self-care. When life seems out of control, remember the road to self-care is self-Reiki. And then you see at the bottom of the slide, I have my website, KarenHarrison.net. Make videos. My social media manager, Kelly Catalano, says that video views are higher than any other kind of post on Facebook. You know, just think about what you like to watch on Facebook. Probably some entertaining videos. So they get liked more and shared more. That is going to be the topic of another YouTube video series. I love making videos. It's my new hobby, and I can't wait to share it with you in another YouTube video section. Will everyone see my posts? No, darn. With the current Facebook algorithm, interaction on your page is more important than likes. There's so much content on Facebook that posts are no longer being pushed out to all your fans. You know, they just can't. There's too much. So when people engage with your posts and share them, then Facebook is going to be more likely to share them with your fans. You can create engagement on your posts by responding to messages and by thanking people for liking your page. You can also ask them questions which can create engagement on your page. More solutions to get your posts out. Advertise the content that's most important to you. You can boost a post or an event or create an ad, and it can be helpful to try all of these. You know, see which works the best for you. Facebook calls paying for your content that's important pay to play. You can create an ad for your classes or sessions. It's important to set a money cap on it. Run the ad between 7 to 30 days and spend a minimum of $5 to $10 a day. Select the demographics you want to advertise. So if you want to target a specific age range, a specific area of the country, specific gender and interests, here's where it's important to know who your Reiki clients and students are and what they're interested in, because likely that will be similar interests to potential students and clients. You want to set a money limit on the amount of money you will pay so you don't end up with a big bill. I heard of a colleague who ended up with about a $500 bill because she skipped that step. The copy for the ad should grab attention. You can set up an event for classes because they get pushed out more than a post. Again, don't just take my word for it. Try it. See what works best for you. Create a nice, beautiful picture and give the link. So the link is your website or the landing page where you want them to go. You can boost the event or create an ad for the class. Here is an example of a Facebook ad. This was for my class in Omaha, and I gave the link to my Constant Contact events spot, which is where I want people to go so that they can register directly for the class. They don't have to sort through my website. They just go directly to the page. If you have a shopping cart on your website, where they can sign up online, then you would want the ad to take them directly to that shopping cart page so that they can easily sign up. Here are 8 tips from Facebook. And know that Facebook has its own tutorials for business page. Keep it short. People have short attention spans. You want to use big, beautiful images. You can offer special deals to customers to keep them interested. For example, offer a deal on 3 or 4 session Reiki packages and run it for a specific period of time. You can run ads to bring people directly to your website. It's important to reply to posts and comments quickly. Mentioning holidays is good. You can choose the location and language you want the post to run in. For example, if you want to advertise to the Hispanic market, you could run it in Spanish. Link your posts and videos directly to your website. So remember, Colleen's Facebook picture had a website on it. And endeavor, of course, to post more of what your customers want. How to create posts. So start by writing content and selecting pictures. You can write some short phases like the following. Got stress? Get Reiki. Want more friends? Teaching Reiki helps create community. I've certainly found that. Most of my friends are all my Reiki friends now. When I give myself daily Reiki, I am calm and centered. So just create your short phrases. If you've written articles, then you can pull some quotes out of your articles. Then you'll want to add photos. You can use a photo editor like PicMonkey or Canva to place the words directly on the photos, including your website. They have many photos you can use for free or a small fee. You do want to make sure that any photos you use are copyright free and in the public domain, or you can end up with a big fine. I think I know someone that happened to. You can also place words on photos in PowerPoint and save the slide as a JPEG. So if you have more experience with PowerPoint, this could be a great place to start. Here is one that I created with Canva. I actually saw the picture and then came up with a little phrase based on what I saw in the picture, and then I added my website on the bottom. Our next section on the YouTube video is going to be on how to create pictures with Facebook with PicMonkey and learn how to schedule and publish your posts. This is really wonderful material that Colleen Benelli will be sharing, so you'll want to make sure to catch that next week. Now, here's just a couple more Facebook ideas. Create a Facebook group for your students. This helps you to keep in touch with your students on Facebook. I created a secret Facebook group for each level of Reiki training. So I have one for my Reiki 1 and 2 students, for my Advanced Reiki Training and Reiki Master students, and one for my Karuna students. Or you could just create one group for all your students. I made the group secret so that people could feel free to post things, and so that I could post the pictures of each class without worrying about their identity. And then when you post the picture, you can also welcome them to the group. Students can ask questions from each other and from me, as well as request Reiki for anyone, or for their pets, or for any sort of goal or situation. And you can also have conversations with them by asking them to share an experience of giving Reiki to a pet or a parent or themselves. Here is a picture, a screenshot of my Advanced Reiki Training and Reiki Master group, and you see below that it says welcome to the OKC Reiki Masters. Then many students will comment and welcome them. That helps to create community. The 21-day Facebook challenge. Tony Daffeldecker, another one of the licensed teachers with the International Center, created this idea, and my students loved it. What we did is we had them state their commitment for how long they would give themselves Reiki every day. The minimum commitment was only 10 minutes, so that's very doable. And they would state what their intention is for the challenge. For example, they wanted to be more calm, they wanted to address pain issues, wanted more harmony in their family. We paired them with a Reiki buddy who would look out for their posts and encourage them, and every day they would post how long they gave themselves Reiki and any comments about what they were noticing as a result. They had all kinds of amazing things like coworker problems were solved, their kids are getting along better, the house feels better, they're sleeping better, and more. Here is a picture of a screenshot of my 21-day Self-Reiki challenge. And this was at the end, thanking them for participating in the 21-day Self-Reiki challenge. And why self-care is so important to us. We transform the planet starting with ourselves. Next week on How to Build Your Reiki Business, Colleen Benelli will be sharing her expertise on creating beautiful Facebook posts. So it will include how to create Facebook posts with PicMonkey, writing text and hashtags for your post, scheduling and publishing your post. So please join us on our YouTube channels, youtube.com/Reiki Lifestyle and youtube.com/Karen Harrison Reiki. For more information, you can check out our Reiki News Magazine article, Developing Clients and Students for Your Reiki Business. That's in the fall and winter issues of the Reiki News magazines. You can look at our websites and our YouTube channels, ReikiLifestyle.com, KarenHarrison.net. We look forward to connecting with you next week.